Okay, hi and Assalamualaikum sir. Today, my name is Muhammad Ifanidia bin Muhammad Rusdi. Today, I would like to present about our topic, potential transformer. Okay, let's talk a little bit about our topic background. So, transformers are the electromagnetic passive device that work on the principle of electromagnetic induction, which transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit magnetically. It consists of two coils. One is primary and another one is secondary coil. Both winding of the coil are magnetically coupled to each other without any magnetic core and electrically separated. Okay. Next, the transformer transmit the electrical energy, voltage or current from one winding to another winding of the coil by means of mutual induction. There is no change in frequency during the transformation of energy. Okay, so the question is, what is exactly the potential transformer is? Potential transformer are also known as a voltage step-down transformer or voltage transformer or instrument transformer in which the voltage of a circuit is reduced to a lower voltage for measurement. As in the picture that I want to show to you right now, this is one of the example of potential transformer look like. Okay, the electromagnetic device is used for the transformation of the higher voltage of the circuit to the lower voltage is called a potential transformer. The output of a low voltage circuit can be measured through voltmeter or wattmeter. These are capable of increasing or decreasing the voltage levels of a circuit without a change in its frequency and winding. The working principle construction of a potential transformer is similar to the power transformer and conventional transformer.
Okay, now I will explain about the construction of potential transformer. Potential transformer consists of primary winding with more turns and secondary winding with less number of turns. So the high input voltage is given to the primary winding, meanwhile the lower output voltage is given to the secondary winding. Potential transformer are constructed with high quality to operate at low flux density, low magnetic current, and minimize load. When compared to the conventional transformer, it uses large conductor and an iron core. As the potential transformer operate at high voltage, the high voltage primary winding is divided into small sections to reduce the insulation cost and damage. The winding also covered with varnish cambric and cotton tape to reduce the insulation cost. Now, how the potential transformer works. The potential transformer connected to the power circuit. That means the primary winding is connected to the high voltage circuit, meanwhile the secondary winding is connected to a voltmeter. Due to mutual induction, the two windings are magnetically coupled to each other and works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. The decreased voltage is measured across the secondary winding with respect to the voltage across the primary winding using multimeter or voltmeter. Due to high impedance in the potential transformer, the small current flow through the secondary windings and operates similarly to the ordinary transformer with no or low load. Hence, this type of transformer operated at a voltage range of 50 to 200 voltage. Now I will pass to Hakimi.
So next we will continue to types of potential transformer. Before knowing types of the potential transformer, we need to see the situation. There are two situations that we need to look. First, is it based on functional or is it based on construction? If it's based on functional, there are two types, which are metering voltage transformer and protection voltage transformer. These are used to operate and control measuring devices, relays and other devices. And based on the construction, there are two types also, which are electromagnetic potential transformer and capacitive potential transformer. So for the electromagnetic potential transformer, here you can see here is the construction of it, and it is similar to the primary transformer, but it works on a voltage below or above 130 kilovolt. The primary winding is connected to the face and the secondary winding is connected to the ground. Electromagnetic potential transformer is in literary relay and high voltage circuits. Next, the capacitive potential transformer. So here is the construction. You can see I will place a photo of the construction of it. It is also known as capacitive potential dividers. A series of capacitive are connected to primary winding or secondary winding. Capacitive potential transformer is used for power line carrier communication purposes and it is more costly.
Assalamualaikum sir, my name is Muhammad Shahrizal bin Muhammad Nazri and I want to talk about the error in the potential transformer. In the primary transformer, the output voltage in the secondary winding is exactly proportional to the voltage on the secondary transformer. In potential transformer also, the voltage drops due to the reactance and resistance in the primary and secondary, and also the power factor on secondary cause phase shift errors and voltage errors. Then, what is the meaning of the ratio error? Ratio error is if the normal ratio of potential transformer is different from the actual ratio of the potential transformer because of resistance and reactance drop. Then we proceed with voltage error. Voltage error is if there is a difference between the ideal voltage and actual voltage, the voltage error occurs. And then we proceed with the phase angle error. Phase angle error means if there is a difference between the phase angle between the primary voltage Vp and the reverse secondary voltage. What is the cause of error? Cause of error is it is due to the internal impedance, the voltage drops in the primary, and it is transformed proportional to its turn ratio and secondary winding. Similarly, the same thing happen in the secondary winding. Reduction of errors. The errors of potential transformer can be reduced or prevented by improving the accuracy in designing magnitudes of reactance and resistance of primary and secondary winding.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, to continue with this presentation, I will be talking about the uses and application of potential transformer. Okay, the first use in potential transformer is used in relay and maintenance circuit. Other than that, it also used in power line carrier communication circuits. It is also used in protection of system electrically. There is also much use and application of potential transformer, such as for the synchronization of generators and feeders, and also protection of voltage transformers. As that is the last chapter for this presentation, what can we conclude from this topic is that there are different aspects of potential transformer which is widely used in electrical power system. Potential effort includes the study of the use of special design and material-based transformers and investigation in different power filters for harmonics cancelling and reactive power compensation. It is also necessary to develop high-level energy efficient transformer which energy consumption should be very less.
Okay, that's all from us. Stay home and stay safe and take care.